Okay, so morning train was a lot of noise. I don't know why. Come a little closer. I don't know why I feel such sadness. I don't know when I think about my husband, our relationship. It just seems sad. You know, we are here at this age in life. He's 60 and I'm 59. He a few months. His birthday is October 24th and mine's is March the 8th. So his birthday come before me. So he October, November, September. He 5 months older than me. So he turns a year older before my birthday. So he is 60 and I'm 59. You know, and being married for over 30 years, you know, is a good thing, but the thing is that we weren't together for the 30 years. And I was more so married to him, you know, because if I'm correct, he went out there, he got married again. He showed me the license because she wanted a divorce. But he showed it to me out of pride. Like, yeah, he always had this playboyish character. So he would be like, yeah, I had these many girls. I hope y'all can hear me. I had these many girls and they did this for me and they cooked for me and they took care of me. You know, even though his job is to take care of the woman, right? So he would always throw that in my face. You know, I don't know why I'm talking about this, but it's, I guess, at this moment, that's why at this moment, I'm in my feelings as a married person, and I'm letting y'all see, or letting y'all hear, you know? So, he showed me the papers that he had got married, and he also told me that he had another child, right? You know, who am I? I can't get angry with him. I got another child. But I don't know whether he got the other child after I got mine, after he found out that I had another child. I don't know, but you know, we all in the same boat. So I can't judge him. I can't judge him for what he's done when I've done the same sin. You know? He was committing adultery on me before he left me, before I even got pregnant again. So he not to like talk about him or nothing, but just like I said, I'm bringing out certain things to express my feelings of why I'm feeling sad right now as far as my marriage is concerned. So he you know, he went on out there while I was with him. So we was together for 3 years before we separated. So we got married in 1983. March 23rd. I remember the exact day. And we separated in 1986. So it had to be like Mary was born in July 1985. So we separated the year after. So we was only together for the 3 years within the marriage in the house together. Whew. Catch my breath. And then the time we're together now. So he was actually, messing around while he was with me. He messed around before we got married. You see what I'm saying? But the way I was raised, since I had gotten pregnant, and it wasn't so much as since I'm pregnant, I gotta marry him. But it was, I felt that it was the right thing to do for that child, which at the time it was my son. And I wasn't thinking about having no more kids at the time after him. So we went and got married a few weeks after, maybe about 2 weeks after I had my son. So I'm now 20, right? So we're gonna forward wind to where I am now. So now the thing is that those different things that he said and did within our marriage, kind of like, so they got a sign-in or something at their door. But anyway, so not really quite wanting to let go of marriage because he is the father, But, and not really wanting to file for divorce, even though he did what he did. You know what I'm saying? The situation is that now that he's in this state of mind, right, which is worse than it was 20 years ago, will I be able to cope with that? You see what I'm saying? Should I cope with that? So, what do y'all think? Y'all let me know. I'll hit y'all back when I get out of church. I'm at my church. There go my church. Y'all can see the name. Pentecostal Rescue.